in Congress. The stock market is a great place to be, but you just got to know this is a different market than your grandfather's market. So why don't you, for 30 days, join my gang, 877-600-GANG, try it for 30 days, $39.95. Follow me. I tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. All I ask you, start making money. Please remember St. Jude.
Don't wait. Join Phil's Gang today and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy. Is your business prepared to respond to any emergency in the workplace? Well, you better be. Let over 30 years of law enforcement experience go to work for you. Boyd Investigative Group is here for all your business security needs. I know. I use them. They're terrific. Call today for your free confidential consultation. 941-724-4535. That's 941-724-4535. Or visit them on the website, BoydInvestigativegroup.com.
License number A1900020.
Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month? philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264.
Did you know breast cancer kills 113 people every day? That's unacceptable.
African American women die from breast cancer nearly 41% more than Caucasian women.
That's unacceptable.
Breast cancer is the leading cause of all cancer deaths for Hispanic women.
Breast cancer is unacceptable.
Together with Susan G. Komen, we're committed to reducing U.S. breast cancer deaths by half.
And we're going to do it by 2026.
Visit Komen.org/unacceptable.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
I've signed up, and I've learned an incredible amount from Phil and Steve. The staff at Phil's Gang gives platinum-level service and stock recommendations. You know, it's as simple as that. At the end of a month or so, I've always been in the black. Phil's Gang is a class act. I'm happy to be a member.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
When the markets open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
When we talk about this idea of reopening society, only in America does the president, when the president tweets about liberation, does he mean go back to work? When we have this discussion about going back or reopening, I think a lot of people should just say, no, we're not going back to that. When we talk about...
Unbelievable. See, she's got a job. She's a congresswoman. She's got a job. So she's going to tell us what to do. Don't go back to work. She has no kids. She has no family. This woman is a nutcase. God, someone has got to run against her. She is an alt-right communist. How did people put her in office? This is insane. And then you got Larry Kudlow telling us how great the economy was before all this happened. Listen to what he says.
Don't forget, it seems like a long time ago, but only a few months ago, this economy was roaring. First,
roaring? Yeah, listen what he says again.
Don't forget, it seems like a long time ago, but only a few months ago, this economy was roaring. First couple months of the year, better than 3% growth.
That is not true. That is totally a lie. First of all, if anyone thinks when they say, okay, everybody go back to work now, all the governors say go back to work, that everything is going to be the same. It's not going to be the same. 50% of the business who reopen are going to be broke, going to go into bankruptcy. Mortgage. The mortgage market right now is in a full-blown meltdown. Even the wealthiest people can't get a loan. The wealthiest people with credit scores at 800 can't get a loan. Because why? There's no one to buy the loan from the banks. Freddie and Fannie, not going to buy the loans. Nobody's going to buy the loans. They're not going to look at them as an investment. Do you realize what this is going to do to the real estate market? Do you know that real estate is the basis of our economy? It always has been. We don't manufacture anything. All we do is flip houses. We're good at flipping houses. Ever since we exported everything and outsourced everything, that's all we do. Everybody just buys a house and flips it. Well, if you don't have a bank to give you a mortgage, it's pretty hard to buy and flip. The best applicants are being turned down. But let's go back to Larry Kudlow. He said the first 2 quarters of 2019, he says, were 3%. No, they weren't. The first quarter was 3.1. He was right about that. But why? Why was it at 3.1 when the second quarter dropped a full point to 2%. To 2%. And the last quarter dropped to 1.9%. So why was the 3.1? Do you remember what was going on? That's when the president was going to sign the bill, the trade bill, the tariffs. And everybody went out and bought whatever they could buy. Companies bought whatever they could buy to get in underneath the tariff. Because we had a tariff war going on. That's why we had 3.1. That's why the next quarter it dropped right to 2%. And for the year, 2.3%. The economy trend line since 2008 has not moved above 2.9. So the year he says the economy was booming is the year 2019 that the economy dropped lower than the trend. The trend from 2008 up to 2009 was 2.9. That year, 2019, which he's lying about, was 2.3. Great economy. What are you, nuts? See, they're going to blame everything on this virus. This virus had nothing to do with the shutdowns, the virus had nothing to do with this market. This economy was already collapsing. It was already collapsing before the virus. It was started to collapse 5 years ago. 5 years ago, I showed my students on our charts. Look at this. And I showed them again, 2-3 weeks ago, a month ago. Look, I said, you got the economy going straight down while the stock market in the last 5 years is going up 50%. You had the economy going down 25%. Now, what does that mean, the economy going down? What is the economy? The economy, after all, is your economic growth and your earnings growth, companies' earnings growth, which they don't grow anymore. There's no more earnings of companies. They don't need earnings anymore. As long as the Federal Reserve will print the money, give it the money to the banks give it to the companies, they buy their own shares down, they don't need to make any earnings to move their stock up. They just keep on reducing the amount of shares they have. So no matter how pathetic, how terrible the earnings are, they always can financially engineer it so the stock price goes up by lowering the amount of shares. And I've gone over this a million times. That's why it used to be a felony. My God, think about it. All you do is print money. And then I'm the CEO. You give me the money, and then I go reduce my shares from 15 million down to 13 million. Now my earnings will spread over that nicely, and the stock price will go up $5. Otherwise, it would have gone down $5. That's why it was a felony. But listen, the great economy he's talking about, how does that make any sense? Before the February crash, we already lost $336 billion in economic growth. And when the market was going straight up, we had the worst economic news, but it kept going straight up. Nobody gave a damn because everybody was climbing the wall of worry. Nobody cared. They're climbing the wall of worry. Oh, the Fed's going to take care of this. The Fed is going to keep bailing out companies. The Fed's going to keep printing money. The Fed's going to keep giving money to CEOs to buy down their own shares. So when they have lousy earnings, they can spread them over nicely, cheat, and have their stock go up when otherwise it should have been going down. And you want to know why a lot of the reason we lost the $336 billion in economic growth? Don't tell me, Cuddler, we have a great economy. A lot of it was due to our infrastructure. We are not investing in infrastructure. After 3 years, we have not, since the president got in office, has not been able to get together with the Democrats to put a bill through for infrastructure. Part of that $336 billion is because we have a lousy infrastructure. For a country to be number one, it needs to have a first-class infrastructure system. That's what we need. But we didn't have it, Larry. We didn't have it. You're a liar. We didn't have it. The economy was on its way down. The country was on its way down. All you guys did is do the same thing as everybody else, kept pushing the stock market up on this false notion we had this great economy when all we had was great stock buybacks. And you convinced everybody the stock market, you did the same thing as Obama, you did the same thing as Bush. There's no difference. You got everybody looking at the stock market, lying to them, say the stock market will represent the health of the economy when it was only representing the health of the rich, because it was the rich who benefited with stock buybacks. It was the CEOs, it was his partners, his big shareholders like Buffett and the rest of them. They all benefited. The worker didn't benefit. To have a strong economy, not only do you need a strong infrastructure and infrastructure improvements, you got to have strong payroll. We didn't have strong payroll. What's he talking about? We had a booming economy. We need a payroll growth. We didn't have no payroll growth. Our payroll growth, we used to be number 1 in the world. We're now number 22. Our payroll never grows. Our expenses far exceed any payroll growth. Far exceeds it. Just look at your health care. Just look at your credit card. Look at your student loans. Look at rental. Far exceed your little pittance of a payroll growth. We have the lowest annual payroll growth in 20 years. And the economy has not hit a 3% GDP annually since 2005, Larry. Honest to God, I don't know who's more crazy, you or AOC. You both need your head examined, both of you. But you are worse because you're lying directly to us about the economy. You're masking things. You're not telling us the truth, and that's what hurts this economy, why we're not going to grow again. Guys like you.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Remember, when this market crashed in 2009, it should have never crashed because the chairperson of these two committees, their job was to protect consumers, protect our investments, and they're supposed to ensure that our investments are being monitored. Where were they in 2009 and 2008? They weren't anywhere because they don't do that. They take care of themselves. They protect themselves. They become richer. So you can't depend on these crooks in Congress. The stock market is a great place to be, but you just got to know this is a different market than your grandfather's market. So why don't you, for 30 days, join my gang, 877-600-GANG. Try it for 30 days, $39.95. Follow me. I tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. All I ask you, start making money. Please remember St. Jude.
Don't wait. Join Phil's Gang today and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. philsgang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With philsgang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from. All that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
When the markets open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert. It says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil Grandy. Simply go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. You know, I love it. All these people, these congressmen and these doctors and these professionals every day get on TV and tell us what to do, to hunker down in our house. Went over to Whole Foods, I told you a couple of weeks ago, old man, you can't come in here. How old are you? I said, I'm 75. How old are you? He says, 18. I said, that's great. You can't come in, sir. You can't come in. You got to come in. I forgot what time they gave me, something like 8 in the morning or something like that. This is nuts, what's going on. This is insane, what's going on. And for anybody to think that this economy, nobody believes how, no one can even fathom how damaged this economy is. This economy was, Russia couldn't have damaged this economy more. And no one's going to feel it or see it until they say, okay, the doors are open, everybody go back to work. You're going to see bankruptcies like you've never seen. And that's what, I told my members this morning, I said, I've been in this business over 45 years. I've been on this earth almost 75 years. And all I can tell you is one thing. You want to create wealth without doing anything? I'll never convince you to give up your 401k, because the fact that sucker play, that they hand that out to you, that, hey, we're going to match, that sucks everybody into the worst financial deal in history. Think about it. You can't get out in the morning the market crashes. They don't let you out until the afternoon. You could have been wiped out of everything. The stock market goes down, you're not allowed to position your stock so you're making money on the way down. My members, when the stock went down, like I think it was, I forget which one. Let's say Starbucks went down 26%. They made a return of 26%. In a 401k, you sit there and lose 26%. And it's going to take you almost 35% just to break even on the way back up. What the hell kind of investment is that? Oh, yeah, but they match me. Every dollar I put, they give me another dollar. No, they don't. You think so, but they adjusted your slot. They look at everybody's slot. I don't care if you're secretary, whatever you are, and they take that slot and they reduce it so that you're paying for your own match. So instead of getting paid $80,000, you're getting paid $60,000. It's the oldest trick in the book. But put that aside. If you take the S&P and you use my chart, which I'll put up against any other chart, there's no better chart. It tells you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, when to run like hell. Most important, when to get out. and then set you up to, okay, I'm ready to sell my stock short, so when it's going down, I'm making money. The S&P, if all you did your whole life was buy it based on my chart, where when it said to buy, when to sell, if that's all you did every day, just watched it, and every buy signal turned green, you buy. And every time it turns red, you get out. And for 10 days, I'm going to prove that to you because I've given it to you free for 10 days to look at. You'll see in 10 days I'm right. I'm not making this up. Oh, no, everybody wants to hear, I'm going to match you. I'm going to match. No, I'll say with my 401k, they're matching me. Oh, they're matching me. Oh, what about the 27 hidden fees? Oh, that's okay. That's okay. It's unbelievable. So the S&P, if every kid in school, from grade school to high school, should be taught not about when Alexander went over the wall in Rome, or what date did the Romans go to Alexandria, all this crap. Teach kids first how to count change, number one, how to answer the telephone, and how to write a decent letter. And then tell them, you want to retire? You want to retire? All you do, there's a thing called SPY. When it's green, you buy it. When it's red, you get out of it. When it turns green again, you go back in again. It works. It works. If that's all they did and held on to that, that means every time we have a crash, you're going to make your money. You'll stop for the first time losing money. Look, we had the dot-com crash. Everybody lost their money in 401ks. What, 50%? That means they got to get 100% to break even. The housing financial crash. 401k people lost their money again. What, 40%? They got to get nearly 80% or nearly 70% to break even. So you had the dot-com crash, the housing crash. That's not going all the way back to 1987, 2002. I'm just going to take the dot-com crash, the housing crash, and then you had now you got the QE crash. And they're still going to stay with a 401k. Then they call their brokers. Can you put me into something? I just want to hold on to my principal. I just want to hold on to my principles. And then your broker screws you good and puts you in bonds. And where are you now with bonds? You're suffering. You're suffering. That's where you are with bonds. A simple chart. S&P 500 best companies in the world make money when the institutions are making money. When it goes down, the institutions make money. Do you think the institutions lose money when the market goes down? What are you, nuts? All these gangsters that you see on Fox Business, all these gangsters you see on CNBC, all their guests, do you think they actually lose money when the market goes down? What are you, nuts? So the idea is to follow them, and that's what this chart does. And for 10 days, you get it free. What else can I do? All I'm asking you, please, when you start making money, please give it to St. Jude. Give some to St. Jude. That's all. Send it directly to them. I don't even know how much you're giving them. So Kudlow tells us, oh boy, before this virus, we were on fire. Just like that other dope, Charles Payne. Before, oh boy, the economy was a rocket ship.
Our economy is surging along. It's surging. It's a rocket.
Yeah, how'd that work out for you, Payne? Maria.
And you have to admit, things are going well. There's euphoria.
Oh, yeah. Well, how'd that work out for you? And wonderful world laugher.
It's just a wonderful world we're living in.
Yeah, how's that feel if you're in a 401k, you just lost 30, 40%? Is that a wonderful world we're living in? And then you call your broker, the guy that handles your money, what's he tell you? Hey, can you help me? Are you kidding?
Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it.
That's what he tells you. Oh, this is unbelievable. To tell us the economy was doing terrific before this virus is a bold-faced lie. I'll be back with some more stocks, a lot more information. Don't go anywhere. Get your chart free and your membership free for 10 days.
Show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. The fastest drop in history, 3,000 points in 3 days. Wow. But we are right there with my color-coded chart. How many times did you say, listening to me, boy, he's negative. He's just a grumpy old man. And I kept telling you this would happen. And with my color-coded chart, it worked. Check it out. Go to my site, philsgang.com, where you get the color-coded chart and you get my membership free for 10 days. And the best thing is this, that you can, without any work at all, at 2 o'clock, go to my site. We have a video posted of our portfolio stocks. Just select which one you want to follow. Every day, we tell you exactly what to do based on the color-coded chart. If you just follow those instructions to a T, then you're going to have the highest probability of being successful. Check it out, philsgang.com. Get it free for 10 days, the membership and the color-coded charts. See you on the charts.
philsgang.com is not the only way you can stay in touch with what we do throughout the day. With today's social media, you can stay up to date with Phil's Gang current events. You can find Phil's Gang on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and more. Phil's Gang Radio Show is broadcast live Monday through Friday from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Facebook, Periscope, and, of course, YouTube. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Go to philsgang.com and find our social media buttons at the top left-hand corner of the site. philsgang.com and Phil's Gang Social Media, keeping you connected.
With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. How many times did you say, boy, he's negative about the stock market. He's just a grumpy old man. Well, it proved out I was correct. Myself and my chart, color-coded chart, tells you when to buy, when to sell, when to run like hell. Hey, it's free for 10 days. Check it out. You get the color-coded chart and you get my membership. Both free for 10 days. This time, you're not going to be surprised when the market crashes. You will be positioned perfectly. Check it out, philsgang.com.
With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Welcome back. Are you ready Ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Remember last week, GILD, remember they announced and the market shot up with GILD, the science pharmaceutical. Here, let me put it up for you. I'll show you what I'm talking about. GILD. All right, here we go. GILD. Okay, Gildan Science Labs. Remember they thought they had close to having a vaccine or whatever. Everybody went nuts. Okay, to buy the stock, right? Now it turns out it doesn't look so promising. You don't look. You just don't chase stocks like that. It's the worst thing you can do. People always are looking for the hot stock. The hot stock. Then they leave the market. They say, oh, the market's no good. The market's no good. Then you listen to people like Larry Kudlow. You listen to people like Charles Payne. Listen to people like Maria Euphoria. Remember, they're told to say that stuff. There's only 6 media groups right now. There used to be something like 120. There's only 6, and the same people own all the 6. And who are the same people that own the 6? The 1 percentile, the 1/100th of 1%, and the 1 percentile. The same people who control the Federal Reserve, who control our money printing, who control our interest rates, who control our Congress, who buys our Congress. They control everything. Are you kidding me? It's unbelievable. Look, all I know that when Larry Kudlow says the economy was terrific before this virus, well, no, it wasn't. There's too much evidence. Before the virus, as I said, we lost $336 billion in income growth. Our country wasn't number 1 before the virus. It dropped to number 22. Why? Because of our infrastructure. We don't even have any money. We're so in debt we can't even build and fix our bridges. This summer, if they let you out of the house, and you're driving over a bridge, there are going to be big signs saying, make sure before crossing the bridge you put on a lifesaver and you have a raft. We have the lowest annual payroll in 20 years. Let's see, did that happen before or did it happen after the virus? Oh, Larry, it happened before. Corporate earnings have been declining and declining and declining. It's the truth. It's the truth. For 5 years, last 5 years, go look at the corporate earnings. They've been going down while the stock market's been going up. How the hell can that happen? How can you have corporate earnings, or think of them as profits? How can you have profits going down and the stocks going up? It's called financial engineering. It's called stock buybacks. That's why they're having trouble getting above 2,800 on the S&P, or 280, 280 on the S&P, whatever you're looking at. That's why they're having trouble. They can't get above that 28. It's been 2 weeks, 2 trading weeks. They still can't get up and hold it. Why? Who's going to buy the stocks? Who is going to buy the stocks? The big institutions who bought the stocks in 2008, they bought the stocks at $25. 2020, the stock was at $225. Then when February hit, the stock dropped from $225 down to $185. The guys who bought it at $25, the big institutions, that made it go up to $225, then it dropped to $185, which, by the way, they made money when it went down to $185. Why would they buy the stock knowing it was only worth $25 in 2008? They know the only reason they got from $25 to $225 was because of financial engineering called stock buybacks. They know the economy looking forward is terrible, horrible, horrible. They know that. So you got to position yourself. It doesn't matter what the economy is going to do. Everybody was laughing at gold when we were buying gold and gold mining stocks. Our gold mining stocks right now, and you've heard me day after day say, I beg you, join the gang. Join the gang. It's free. It's free. Follow me with gold. Follow me with gold. It's free. It's free for 10 days. You didn't listen. A lot of you did, but... So where's gold now? Where's GDX, mining stocks? Where are all the mining stocks? The ETF for the mining stocks. We're up 40%. Up 40%. GLD, gold, we're up 14%. But see, I don't want you to come and become a member because I said we're up 40%. We're up 14%. That's not the reason why you joined my gang. The reason you join my gang is because you're going to get the best charting ever. The best charting ever. These charts, whatever you need, okay? The MV2, color-coded buy and sell chart signals. Everything you would want in a chart and so much more. I'm not just saying it. You get it free for 10 days. The key is, going back to the S&P, if that's all you ever did, is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we put up every day a video on SPY, tell you exactly what to do based on a color-coded chart. The first 10 days, follow it. You'll see how it works. The chart gives us buy and sell signals and the signal to turn around and go the opposite way. Short it. Oh, and I love that. All these people, oh, you shouldn't short stocks. Oh, you should. They put so much fear into people to make sure you don't short stocks. Oh, you're going to lose money. You could lose all your money. No, you can't. How are you going to lose all your money? You're losing all your money staying in, watching your 401k go down, and you're not doing anything. Keeps going down. What should I do? Keeps going down. What should I do? You keep asking your broker. What should I do? What should I do? Oh, you're going to be just fine. You're going to be just fine. In fact, they talk you into being buying more of it, and people do. People have no idea what's going on. No idea. They have no clue that you have 4 stocks propping this whole stock market up. The reason why the stock market, the S&P, you should have been in gold. Here's what people did. They all ran to the same old stocks. They all ran to the FANG stocks. Everybody ran to the Amazon. Everybody ran to Netflix. Everybody ran to Google. Everybody ran to Facebook. Okay. So what did it do? It pushed the stock market up from the day the crash stopped, of March 23rd. It pushed it up 23%. But for the last 10 days, it's struggling to get above 280. So that first 23%, it moved up. Why? Because the same stocks went up. Amazon, Netflix, Google, Facebook. But you don't have the banks leading. The banks are in deep trouble. And these stocks, these 5 stocks, are going to collapse. And you're going to see this market go down another 30, 40%. These stocks cannot hold this whole market up. It's not like it was before the crash. Look, when they kept on telling you, all this garbage, the wonderful world.
It's just a wonderful world.
And they tell you the rocket ship.
Our economy is surging along. It's surging. It's a rocket ship right.
And they tell you all that crap. You know what was moving the market up? The same stocks. The same stocks. It's over for those stocks. I told you, and I'm not going to play the tape, waste your time. In 2017 or 2018, I came out and said, mark this date down, January 2016, that we're going to start our crash. This is the first day of the crash because what's going to cause the crash is going to be China. Their whole economy is falling apart, and these 5 stocks, or the FANG stocks. So, gold. Listen, countries know what's going on. They're buying gold. They're hoarding gold. Here's what they know. They know that guys like Kudlow are lying. Think what Kudlow said. Here, I don't know if did we move those cuts over yet? Okay, where are they? Okay. Now, why should we be so lucky to think? Here's what he told us back before the crash.
We could grow this economy at 4 or 5%.
That's what he told us before the crash. Why should we? And then he changed it to 3 to 4%. Now he tells us
it's not going to happen overnight, but if you're talking third quarter, July, August, September, I think we will see positive economic growth.
So why would we be so lucky to believe him now when he said this?
We could grow this economy at 4 or 5%.
So we are going to be so lucky to believe this guy now when he was dead wrong before. He's always wrong. Look, join my gang, 10 days free. Go to where it says, get started here, working investor group. You get your chart free, membership free. And at the end of 10 days, then you decide. You decide if I'm telling the truth.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
I've been a Phil's Gang member since 2014. Over that time, I've generated over six-figure profits. Following Phil, his charting system has really been a huge impact on my career and my life. I would recommend Phil's Gang to the mom and pop out there. I would recommend it to parents teaching their children. I would recommend it to grandparents. If you really trust in their system, you will do well.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. How many times did you say, boy, he's negative about the stock market? He's just a grumpy old man. Well, it proved out I was correct. Myself and my chart, color-coded chart, tells you when to buy, when to sell, when to run like hell. Hey, it's free for 10 days. Check it out. You get the color-coded chart and you get my membership. Both free for 10 days. This time, you're not going to be surprised when the market crashes. You will be positioned perfectly. Check it out, philsgang.com. Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. The fastest drop in history, 3,000 points in 3 days. Wow. But we are right there with my color-coded chart. How many times did you say, listening to me, boy, he's negative. He's just a grumpy old man. And I kept telling you this would happen. And with my color-coded chart, it worked. Check it out. Go to my site, philsgang.com, where you get the color-coded chart and you get my membership free for 10 days. And the best thing is this, that you can, without any work at all, at 2 o'clock, go to my site. We have a video posted of our portfolio stocks. Just select which one you want to follow. Every day, we tell you exactly what to do based on the color-coded chart. If you just follow those instructions to a T, then you're going to have the highest probability of being successful. Check it out, philsgang.com. Get it free for 10 days, the membership and the color-coded chart. See you on the charts.
Thinking about investing in the stock market? Go to philsgang.com, where we have over 50 years experience in trading and investing in the stock market. Phil's Gang teaches you how to make profits in the market with stock chart analysis, up-to-the-minute alerts, and always keeping you informed with professional guidance in long and short-term positions. Go to philsgang.com or call one of our professional staff to answer your questions. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Stop wondering about your financial future and start doing something about it.
With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. philsgang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With philsgang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
So we're up in Netflix 25%. We're up in Facebook 15%. Those are, again, part of the FANG stocks. Now, anybody could be up 25%, 15%. You don't need me for that. Anybody. But here's what you need me for. You don't know when to get out. And nobody else knows when to get out. They don't. The institutions know. And the people who have inside information know. That's why the big boys, the 1 percentile and the 1/100th percentile, that's why they always have 1 percentile. That's why they maintain being the 1 percentile and the 1/100th percentile, because they got information. Look at our senators. Our senators got all inside information. So they didn't get hurt. They sold before this virus thing hit, right? What do they follow to get out? The money. So I designed a chart to follow the money. I first did it for my own use. Then I decided, okay, this could help my gang. So I set up so simple. It's a simple color code, and it even talks to you when to get out, when to stay in, when all that. But you can't convince people because I priced it too low at $39.95. They think it's a joke at $39.95. If I priced it at $2,000, everybody want it. Just like I have a competitor, I charge $39.95, or if I'll charge for a Saturday webinar $70. They charge as much as $2,000. I give much more value, and when they advertise $2,000, they get more people than I get because they think at $2,000, boy, it's got to be something special. I charge $7. Oh, got to be a joke. I've never been a good retailer. So I am telling you, this works. You don't have to sit there and be a hostage to the system. You want to be in the system. You do not care whether the market's going down or the market's going up. We're going to have, from now to the rest of our lives, bubble creation. Remember what they're doing. And it's working for the wealthy. They're never going to take these terrible companies, these failures, and let them go into bankruptcy, put us into a recession, and get rid of them all. Then come out of the recession healthy and just taking care of the best and the brightest, the best businesses. Start new startups. That's how you grow this economy. We've always grown the economy this way. For 100 years, we've grown the economy. Always take care of the winners. Take care of the successful. They earn it. Oh, we don't do that anymore. Let's take care of the losers. Why? Because who owns most of the stock in the losers? The same 1 percentile who control the Federal Reserve, who control interest rates. So for them, they're going to go bail out all these companies. And what do they get? Rich, because the stock goes up. Well, you should be making money when the stock goes up. What happens to what happens to the worker on these stock buybacks when there's no profits, but the stock goes up? All fake. They get nothing. They get nothing. Because, see, none of the money goes to them through increased productivity, through business investment, so that when they take money and put it in business investment, that means you get new machinery. That means you produce more for the company you work for. Your productivity goes up. Your wages go up. And from your wages, you put money in savings. And then new businesses start because they go and they get that savings from saving banks. New businesses can't go to Wall Street. And those businesses flourish. The middle class becomes successful. What else do you do with your money? And you take other money and you go and you buy. You consume. And consumption is 72% of economic growth. But you don't do that anymore. You have to borrow all the time. Because why? Because business, they no longer take their profits or the money they borrow and put it into business investment, which increases productivity, which increases your wages, which goes into savings, which goes to the small businesses, which goes to 72% of economic growth. No, nobody does that anymore. But what do? The consumer. You get out your credit cards. They'll finance your car for 7 years. You get out your credit cards. And then they tell you, look at the stock market. Look at the stock market. It's terrific. Look at that. The economy's strong because look at the stock market going up. When the stock market's going up 400%, all fake. But who cares if it's fake? What are you going to do? Find religion and say, oh, it's fake. I'm not going to buy. No. You got to position yourself that when that market goes up, it's because money going in and you're going to get in there and be part of that rally. But the key is to get out of the damn thing in time. And 75% of you walk away from the stock market because you lose money because you don't know when to get out. I've solved that. And I'm reaching out to you to prove to you I've solved that. And I'll prove it to you in 10 days with a chart that I should be charging $3,900 instead I'm charging $39.95. Free for 10 days. I should have done like my competitor. I should have put out $3,000 for the chart. I would probably have 5 times more people, more members. So just check it out. So right now, the money is going to be, and by the way, go to my YouTube channel. I did a 4-part series. I did the first 2 where it says Phil's Take. I did one on April 5th. What was the other day I did? April 5th in the 17th. Those are 2 new ones. Please go there. If you're not a gang member, go there. If you're not a gang member, please go there. If you really want to know what's going to happen to this economy, where we're going to go, how this is all going to end up, please go there. And explains where we are. This is a 4-part series. It costs you nothing, but I tell you the truth. So all these companies they're bailing out do nothing for you, the worker, do nothing for the company. And we're told that the economy was terrific before the virus. We have unfunded debt of $200 trillion on top of our $22 trillion national debt. We have the highest household debt in history, $13 trillion. We have the highest corporate debt at $12 trillion, the highest credit card loans ever, the highest auto loans ever, the highest school loans ever, the highest delinquencies ever. Oh, but Kudlow said we had a terrific economy for this dreaded disease. We have a surging budget deficit and trade deficits, historic. Never have we had budget deficits which have to be paid. So they go borrow money or they print money. This is unbelievable. We have a contracting economic growth. We have declining corporate profits, declining business investment, but the stock market keeps going up. That used to be a fraud. Shouldn't that be fraud? Shouldn't somebody be arrested? Think about it. If you got a contracting economic growth, the economy's not growing, it's contracting, and you got declining corporate profits, and you got declining business investment, but the stock market in the last 5 years going up 50%, but the economy's going down 25%. Shouldn't somebody investigate that? Who are you going to investigate? The investigators are the people who are doing it. It's all Wall Street. It's all Congress. They're all together. So why don't you simply say, I'm going to learn how to make some money. I want to be in a position, I don't care anymore if the market goes up or the market goes down, because I'm going to be making money both ways. And as I told you, if all you did was just bought the spiders and sold the spiders short on the instructions of the color-coded chart that tells you when to buy and when to sell short. Matter of fact, we just added another color, a yellow, that gives you a heads up even earlier. Instead of going right from green to red, tell you, all right, you're buying, now red, you're getting out. We give you even another color we just engineered, put in. It took us almost 3 months to get it right. We finally got it right. Where it's yellow, gives you even a heads up earlier. So, look, all I'm telling you, if you don't want to listen to me, fine. But listen to this one thing. Watch your Amazon, watch Netflix, watch Google and Facebook. When those start breaking down, because the banks, you watch the banks, XLF, compare them to Amazon, Netflix, Google, and Facebook. And when those four start collapsing and the banks aren't leading, this market's going down, test the lows, and it's going to test the lows of the S&P, and then it's going to be it. We're going to break through there. And no one's going to convince me that when they send everybody back to work, everything's going to be ducky. No, it's not. It's going to be terrible. Look, why don't you just follow my 5 stocks? Called Phil's 5 stocks. They're posted every day. We post them at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And my members, a lot of my members, that's all they follow. Caterpillar, Intel, Goldman Sachs, Schlumberger, and AT&T. These are in everybody's portfolio. They're in every 401k. They're in every pension fund. They're in anybody who's got a portfolio. These are in them. And the chart tells you when to buy, when to sell, and when to run like hell, but better yet, when to sell short. We got again, this whole deal that's going on right now. Oh, you got to find, they always say, find a safety stock, find the safety stocks. Sure, you'll be safe for a while in healthcare. We own healthcare. We're already making money in some of the healthcare stocks. One of them is TNDM. That's one of them. We're up nicely in that. I think we're up 5-6% already. But I don't care whether it's healthcare or utilities or consumer discretionary. There's not going to be any place to hide. So when this market makes new lows, it starts crashing again. So you want to take advantage of it and go to sleep at night when the market's crashing. You want to feel just as good as the market's going down as it's going up. Join my gang where it says get started, Get you $39.95. That's all free. The charts are free. The membership's free for 10 days. Check
Bill
it out.
Randy on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
It's up to me.